Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. The ongoing gang warfare in Waterhouse, St. Andrew has left another family homeless. A 7-bedroom house was destroyed by fire last night, and it's believed that someone deliberately set fire to the building. As residents tried to escape, they say gunmen were spraying bullets in their direction. TVJ's Kirk Wright has the tale of distress.
For years, they called it home. Today, it's a mere scrap heap. A 7-bedroom house at 35 West Bay Farm Road in Waterhouse, St. Andrew, burnt to the ground. Even the chicken coop and holding areas used to keep livestock went up in flames.
There's a lot of people affected, because you have my baby father, myself, my 6 kids, them, my 3 brother-in-law, them mother, and them sister.
No one was injured, and the animals also survived. While the people are grateful for that, they worry about another issue. They say the house was deliberately set ablaze. Sometime after 4 this morning, a family member realized the house was on fire and made an alarm.
I just hear one loud explosion and hear a gunshot back at it.
And it's not the first time. The victims say a week ago, someone threw a homemade bomb in their house while adults and children were inside. A fire was ignited, but they responded quickly to put it out.
The 3-room engulfing fire, I lost everything. All of my baby things, them.
People in the area say the tension stems from a feud between Top West Bank and Bay Farm Road, both in Waterhouse. For one woman, the situation is depressing.
I don't know where to start. When I come and I just look on yesterday, so I stand up right at the stove and cook my children them food. Wash up a plate, them leave in a sink, and when I come, I see everything in a fire. Everything in a fire.
Plus, it's too much for the children to bear.
And my kids them promising. I tell us my daughter 2 and she can spell her full name. My son are 5 and my daughter, where they doing the Park Primary, she doing extremely well at school. She there in a top 10. She picked for prefect, so I don't want she miss school. For the week here, I know them are gonna miss school. I know for sure them are gonna miss school.
The police say they have been keeping a close watch on the area and will continue their investigations with the aim to ending gang violence in Waterhouse. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.